Hi, fourth grade. Today we're going to be doing Investigation 10. Today we're going to do the reteach together, and then you are going to work out and answer the problems in your book for the investigation of probability. Probability is something that measures how likely it is for an event to happen. For instance, think about the weatherman, or you look on your app on your phone and it says 70% chance of rain. That's a pretty good chance of rain, but it also means that there's a 30% chance for sunshine. So probability ranges from 0% impossible to 100% very possible. That is the range of percentages. If an event is impossible, like it says on the top of your reteach, its probability is 0. Its chance is 0%. All other events have probabilities between 0 and 1, or chances between 0% and 100%. In your book, they use a game spinner for an example, and then they also talk about rolling a dice. If we look at the bottom, look at number 7 first on your reteach. See the spinner there? If we were playing a game and you kind of hit the spinner, hit the arrow. Look at that spinner though. How many sections is that spinner divided into? It's divided into 6 sections. C, B, B, A. What is the probability that the arrow will stop in sector A? How many A's are there? Well, there are 3. So 3, how many total sectors are there? 6. So 3 over 6. Write the fraction 3 over 6, which would be 1/2. So there's a 50% chance that your spinner is going to stop on sector A. Look at number 1. Number 1 is asking, what is the probability of a tossed coin will land heads up? How many sides of a coin are there? There are only 2. Right? So you're flipping a coin at the beginning of a football game, and the team captain gets to decide which end of the field they want first. What is the probability that it's going to land heads up? Well, there's a 50-50 chance, right? Because there's 2 sides of a coin, and there's only one side has heads. So 50%, or 1/2. What is the probability that a number cube, think of a dice, will stop on 3? Well, if you think of a dice, each side of that cube has a different number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. How many sides of that cube have 3 dots? Only 1. How many sides of the cube are there? 6. So it would be 1/6. And I'm going to scan all of this to you so you can double check. So the probability that when you roll the dice you're going to land on number 3 is 1 out of 6 times. Number 3, what is the probability that a number cube will stop on a number less than 6? How many numbers are there on that dice less than 6? 5. So it'd be 5 over 6. Number 4, what is the probability a number cube will stop on a number greater than 6? Boys and girls, are there any sides of that cube that have more than 6 dots? Nope. So there is 0 chance, 0 probability. Number 5, if your team has a 30% chance of winning, is it more likely that you will win or not win? Unfortunately, you probably would not win if you only had a 30% chance of winning. All right, number 6. Back to our weatherman. If there's an 80% chance of rain, then what is the chance that it will not rain? They want you to write it with a percent symbol. Of course, that answer would be 20%, because 100 minus 80 is 20. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to look in your book and just take your time and work through 1 through 18 in Investigation 10. I'm going to scan to you the reteach answers as well as the answers to the questions in your book. Good luck.